Okay, so it's bath day here. Get this corn planter all washed up so we can put it away. As John Deere 7000, we're done with the corn. So all of the crap runs down the driveway,
No,
right?
I want it this way because the wind's blowing this way, and I don't want all the shit blowing in my face.
I was trying to wash the shit this morning because I had a bunch of crap blowing back on me.
Well, that's why. You got to think. You don't want it blowing into the wind.
I don't take consideration of the wind.
Well, you got to take that stuff into consideration.
I know, but it just seems so petty at times. But
well, then deal with the mud on your face.
So I forgot to mention that today is June 11th. We're done with corn, so that's good. I'm not going to put gas to GMC away because we still need that to fill the sprayer when that time comes to spray corn and beans. So let's put it away and we'll check back with you guys later. I'm going to take the gator over, go open that building up real quick so that we can put the corn planter away and be done with that job. Corn don't look too good here. It's just too darn wet. We'll be cutting wheat in about another month or so. Well, that don't look too tall neither. Just had a real crappy year for everything. Cow pasture, few cows in it for right now. Corn planter won't fit in that building. I know that for a fact. Corn planter fit in here. Don't know if it'll fit through this door or not. 6 row. I doubt it will, but I'm not sure. And everything's all in here. Let's see, is there any... Let's see, I don't see any marks on the floor from... See, this is airplane hangar building. That's why these are here. These yellow marks anyhow. I don't see no marks where a corn planter would be. I'm pretty sure that'd almost be a tight fit. If worst comes to worst, we'll just open that door there. No, that ain't gonna fit. Crap. That's an old generator from back at the place I'm not allowed to video. 3406. Oh, so corn planter's got to go to that airplane door. We got to put them markers down, so I got to go back and tell Pete so we can get that done.
You got gassy out?
What's that?
You got gassy out?
No, I can get it right quick.
Get gassy out.
Where do you want it?
Huh?
Up by the barn?
Yeah, but we gotta be able to pump out of it.
Okay. Here's, who the heck keeps locking these stupid doors all the time? I sure don't. I hate it when people do that. It used to be the lime truck. Used to have the lime body on it. And check this oil in this pig. Let's see. It's in there. So I did that all for nothing, but it was still cool. We're just gonna bucket the fertilizer out.
Shut that.
Okay. I did a video yesterday mowing pastures
Well, you can do that as long as I ain't around.
and like run the grain cart. You'd be, you of course running a combine beside.
That's different.
Okay. Just no shop repair videos when you're around, basically.
That's right.
Okay.
You can do all your repairs and explaining all this stuff when I'm not around.
Okay. We got everything all greased, all oiled. That's what we're doing out here in the driveway. Just oiling this thing. Pete said he don't want to be on YouTube no more. He made that very clear. So no more videos of him repairing stuff. It'll just be me repairing stuff. But that's okay. We'll just keep on trucking. Oh shit. And here I go. Oh shit. What the fuck just happened? I don't know what I'm doing. Oops. Well, I guess if anything else, we'll just go a little more, right? I mean, it appears to be going in the right direction. Don't know. My thing is, I don't want to get the thing up and then kick the damn thing to go back down. far so good. Is that how it... Okay. I think I just screwed up. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Whew, thank God. Believe it or not, this used to be an airplane hangar. That's why for the door. I don't know, like a little jet or something. See. I don't see where the cables run to. I heard an electric motor. Oh, you know, it's probably right up, sitting up top there on that plank. Would be my only guess. Because that would be center. And then we'll just have a pulley or something that comes off just those two there. It comes the cables and that. That'd only be my guess, because you can hear it clear as day. But it's coming with the corn planter. Well, job well done. Till next time. Thanks for watching.